Tango Whiskey 200. This is a 59 Sierra Victor 5106 from Rodos Island, Dodekanez, Greece.
Yes, Roger. 59 Sierra Victor 5106. My operator name is Lucas, Lima Uniform Kilo Alpha Sierra. Lucas, 5x7 from South Poland. Microphone for you.
Yes, my friend Lucas, your signal is 6-7, very good signal here in Rodos Island. Here is 59 Division, Rodos Island, Dodekanez, Greece. My name is Giannis, Golf India Alpha November India Sierra.
Giannis, yes, nice to meet you, Giannis. My working condition is CRT SS 8900. Antenna is vertical, Mantova turbo. This is my working condition. Microphone for you.
Yes, my friend, my sea condition is CRT 9900 and my antenna is 5827. Maybe I have the same my signal.
Yes, Roger, Giannis. Okay, thank you very much. A very great propagation. 59 Sierra Victor 5106. This is 161 Kilo Tango Whiskey 200. Giannis, thank you for contact for QSO. Good week. Nice to meet you. 73. All the best and bye bye.
73 for you and your family, my friend. 161. Thank you very much. Good DX for you and bye bye from Rodos Island, Dodekanez, Greece.
Bye bye, Giannis.